See how Metal Guard performs in terms of lubrication and engine protection when we use water instead of engine oil as a base. Dear children, never pour water into your engines, gearboxes, differentials, etc. Use good oils and our additives. We start with water alone. As it turns out, water is not the best lubricant. Now we move the test roller to a new position and add Metal Guard. There is 19 milliliters of water in the reservoir, so we should add 1.15 milliliters of Metal Guard to maintain the proportions. We add 1 milliliter. As you can see, Metal Guard works perfectly even with water, which actually makes lubrication more difficult. Unlike other products, Metal Guard always remains in oil. It does not contain chlorine, sulfides, or any other products that could damage the engine. It also does not contain Teflon, molybdenum, or other products that change the state of aggregation inside the combustion chamber. This makes Metal Guard 100% safe and effective at the same time. With Metal Guard, you get extreme friction reduction, which translates into an average 10% reduction in fuel consumption, an average 10% increase in power and torque, a reduction in harmful emissions, quieter engine operation, and better heat dissipation. Metal Guard also prevents carbon deposits from building up,